Olá, tudo bem contigo? Today we are looking at the Portuguese alphabet, how we say the vowels and the consonants. And I know this might sound trivial, but actually it's quite a good introduction to the Portuguese pronunciation and sound system. Besides that, oftentimes whenever you need to spell out a word, it really comes in handy to know how to say the letters in Portuguese. Now, if you want to go beyond the alphabet when it comes to Portuguese pronunciation, I put together a comprehensive course on the Portuguese sound system, and you'll find it at Portuguesepedia.com. I'll put a link in the description below. With that said, let's dig in. Let's start with the vowels. A, you see, open A, E, O, U. Again, A, E, O, U. Now, of course, this vowel A won't be always retrieving the A sound. Sometimes we'll retrieve a sound, the same thing with E, but that's the way we say the vowels anyway. When we want to refer to the vowel E, we say E. So once more, A, E, O, U. Let's look at the consonants now. We have B, C, D. Now, comparing to English, we say B, C, D, so you have to get used to this E sound. E, B, C, D. If you make that tweaking, most of the consonants will be quite easy for you to say. So again, B, C, D, F, G, so G is G. This one is different. G. So H, G. This one is also different. J, so J, J. K, K, K. L, M, N, P, Q, R, R. S, T, V, W, X, X, Y, Z. So let's see the ones that are really different in Portuguese. We have H, H, we have J, J, we have K, K, and then we have Q, we say Q, R, we say R, and X, we say X. So let me see if I say them again in the correct order. So H, J, K, Q, R, X, and then Z, we say Z. So you should keep an eye on this especially. And then, of course, the thing I mentioned the E sound. So B, C, B, C. All together with vowels and consonants. So we have A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, this sound here, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. That's it for the Portuguese alphabet. Again, if you want to take a look at the course I put together at Portuguesepedia.com, it is called Portuguese Sounds, and you'll find the link here below. Okay, I'll see you in the next video. Adeus!